What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Cubot KingKong 9. This is another rugged smartphone, but this one is totally different. This one doesn't feel like a rugged smartphone because this one is pretty light, and this one doesn't look like a rugged smartphone because this one comes with a futuristic gaming phone like a outlook and appearance. Oh yeah, this one also has a tiny little display at the back. So yeah, this one is super different than many other usual rugged smartphones. Okay, before we go through this review video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, I'm not gonna do a traditional unboxing thing because I have already unboxed and unwrapped this Cubot KingKong 9. Okay, inside the box I have got a very good quality 33-watt charger. The charger is actually a very good quality one, a premium quality charger and a premium quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Cubot has also provided a set of earbuds. Yeah, this is a USB-C based wired earbuds, and they have also provided a nice SIM ejector tool. Inside the box, you will also get some paperwork. Okay, at the beginning, I was a bit confused. Is it a rugged smartphone? Because this one doesn't look like a rugged smartphone. This one comes with a very unique design, and truly, I was a bit confused that this one is a gaming smartphone. And at the center of the rear camera block, there is another display panel. I'm super satisfied to see that Cubot has actually done some research and they have protected the display panel with a metal frame. The protruding metal frame actually also protects the camera lenses at the back. As usual, the side rails are made with metal. This one comes with a metal frame and there are protruding bumps on all the four corners. One more time, I'm in love with this rear panel. This one looks so very amazing. The design is a bit futuristic and well, I would give this one 10 out of 10 for outlook and appearance. And also this one deserves 10 out of 10 for build quality because this one comes with IP68 and IP69K rating. Also, the button placement of this rugged smartphone from Cubot is really pretty nice. The buttons are placed on the correct position. The power button and the volume rockers are on the right side. Fingerprint is mounted on the power button and there is another button on the left side. This one is actually customizable. This one comes with a hybrid SIM tray, so we can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card with a TF card. Okay, if you wanna check the specifications, here comes all the specifications. You may pause the video and go through all the specifications. Okay, there are a few things that I love about this Cubot KingKong 9. One of those is this display panel. Cubot KingKong 9 comes with a 1080p FHD Plus display panel. Even if this is an IPS LCD panel, this one is way better than others. Wait, I may have used this sentence in some other videos for some other smartphones, but this one is truly different. The display panel is vibrant and at the same time this one reproduces natural colors. Kudos to Cubot. Okay, this one comes with a 1080 by 2408 resolution and supports 120Hz refresh rate. So yeah, scrolling through is pretty smooth, I should say buttery smooth, and this one also has all the standard and necessary features in the display settings. Considering that this is a rugged smartphone, comparing the display panel of this Cubot KingKong 9 with many other rugged smartphones, I would give this display panel 9 out of 10. Okay, one more time, at the back there is a display panel and the display panel is very responsive. This small circular display panel is also an IPS LCD panel, but check this one is so very responsive and offers a very accurate color reproduction. Cubot KingKong 9 doesn't come with those ordinary or usual speaker setup. There is no speaker cutout on top, there is no speaker cutout at the bottom, but there are 2 speaker cutouts at the back. This one comes with a loudspeaker which goes very loud and even at full volume doesn't get distorted. Offers crisp and clear sound quality. I would let you listen to some music. You check by yourself.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen her.
Cubot KingKong 9 comes with a 100 megapixel main sensor and a 24 megapixel night vision sensor. I have taken a lot of photos with this Cubot KingKong 9, especially a lot of selfie photos, because we can take selfie photos using the main sensor thanks to that rear display panel. I'll let you check some photos that I have taken with this Cubot KingKong 9 side by side with Infinix 30 Pro. That is another smartphone which comes with a Helio G99 SoC and similar camera setup. You check carefully and let me know in the comment section which one has performed better.
Every time I start to slip away, and I surrender, there's no more falling down, I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground. You don't owe me anything, but I believe that you can show me all the things that I've been needing. I'm just hoping you give me a reason to go on.
Well, this Cubot KingKong 9 comes with MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, and this one is a very capable SoC. Okay, I've been playing games on this Cubot KingKong 9 and haven't noticed any lags or throttling. Even if this one is a rugged smartphone, I must say, I have to mention this. Gaming on this device is even better than many other mainstream smartphones from very big brands. Maybe you'd think that, can a gaming smartphone offer very good performance? Yeah, Cubot KingKong 9 can, because they have optimized the performance of Helio G99. So even if I have tried to play some graphics intensive games, this one has offered me very good buttery smooth in-game experience, and the gaming sessions were pretty much enjoyable. So yeah, I would give this one 9 out of 10 for gaming. I mean, if you consider that this one comes with a Helio G99, and if you compare this one with all the other smartphones which comes with Helio G99, you will notice that this Cubot actually offers very good, even better performance than all the other Helio G99 based smartphones. Okay, I know there are some people who always cares about benchmark performance. I have already mentioned that this one offers very good gaming performance, but if you still wanna know about Antutu benchmark score, here comes the score. Cubot KingKong 9 has managed to score a very high Antutu score, and yeah, actually I have ran Antutu benchmark back to back 3 times, and this is what Cubot KingKong 9 has achieved after running Antutu benchmark consecutively 3 times. Cubot KingKong 9 comes with a 10,600 mAh massive battery, humongous battery pack, and it was like very crazy. I had to work hard to drain all the battery. I mean, it takes days if not weeks to drain all the battery. I have managed to use this Cubot KingKong 9 for almost 15 days before I have needed to recharge it. Cubot KingKong 9 comes with a 33-watt charger, and the charger works pretty fine. The charger doesn't take a long time to refuel the battery cells, so yeah, it gets charged pretty fast, and once it's fully charged, we have almost 2 weeks of battery life with us. Cubot KingKong 9 comes with Android 13 and there is no skin. This one comes with stock Android 13, and Cubot has promised a few years of major Android update. I have already mentioned earlier, Cubot KingKong 9 comes with a fingerprint mounted into the power button. Yeah, that means this one comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's pretty easy to register fingerprint, and it's even easy to use the fingerprint sensor. Cubot KingKong 9 takes almost no time to unlock the phone while using the fingerprint sensor. No issues, no complaints. Kudos to Cubot. Well, it's time for verdict. What do you think? What's the verdict? I wanna know your verdict. I'm in love with this rugged smartphone. If you are subscribed to this channel, then you may already know that I have a thing for rugged smartphones. I have reviewed a lot of different rugged smartphones, and there are a lot other rugged smartphones that I have bought but didn't review because those don't offer any value for money. Well, talking about value for money, this Cubot KingKong 9, this one is the king of value for money when it comes to rugged smartphone and yeah, price per performance ratio. This one performs better than others, costs less than others. Well, I have left a link of this Cubot KingKong 9 in the description box below. If you're interested, then go ahead, check the link. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.